Hello, good morning. January 29 de Newland District de petrol pump de kamgura tuichun employees ke mara laga opor de Newland Police Kambra accused tuida ke arrest kurishe kusha. Timabu Police Kambra kwa se ke accused manu kando ele witu chisi 25 sal aro inadu chisi 38 sal ase kusha. Taijun do ele kozu buste Newland District de takia laga ase kusha. January 29 laga rati around 10 baje nisna de accused manu khan bra petrol manga humoi de nitia karne employees khan ke marishe goshe police goshe ke victim do ele substance injury sushe goshe accused ta khilaf de case be register grishe wena janai dishe January 31st laga rati de Chamukidima Al Baptist Church laga pension members kari accident de murija laga victim laga families kan ke state government kan bra ex gratia do ele announce korishe Nagaland Chief Minister ba Munduk Khobor janai dia ke kushige state government khan bra victim laga families kan ke 2 lakhs di bole laga janai she aro Chokamba laga families kan ke 50,000 di bole laga janai dishe Northeast Frontier Railway laga Railway Protection Force Kambra coordinated operation launch kora laga time de 12 June manu ke rescue kurishe ko ase January 24 aru 28 laga machote alag train station aru train laga bitor de 12 June manu ke rescue kurishe 8 minor aru 4 jon do dangor manu kan tagishe ko ase Rescue kura laga bacha khan do ele bolai ja khan tagishe aru kunba do ele train bitor de unattended passengers kan tagishe ase rescue kura laga minor bacha khan do ele concerned child line unit aru recognized child care organizations kan ge handover kuri dishe ase aru dangor manu khan do ele local police authorities ke further necessary action lobo karne handover kuri dishe koina notice funded railway kan ba khobor janai dishe Tripura Police Kam Rajagali Sunday din de tinjun Bangladeshi national manukan India de illegal ba documents kan tik tak na taki kana khosa karne arrest kurishe ko ase aro takan tinjun ge mondop kora laka tuida Indian manu ke bi arrest kurishe ko ase police laga report hisab de takan 5 jun do ele Chennai jabule thakishe ko ase gari intercept kuri kana takan ge huda hudi kora dem de tinjun manu do hele Bangladeshi national ase koina janai dishe ko ase takhan laga nam do hele Amar Hussain Imran Hussain aro Munir Hussain koina janishe Komila district Bangladesh laga ase ko ase Indian manu India laga tuijun accused India laga tuijun manu takhan ge illegal bra khosa ke motab kora manu kan do hele Faromia aro Abdul koina janebole barisha Joagali Sunday din de Ukraine de Russia laga drone bra pass de lagi gena at least 15 minors morai dishe aro 7 jon manu khan ge jogam guri dishe wase kobo laga hisab de pass de minors kan doile tahalna shift khatam hoina aha laga homoy de marishe goina regional governor bra strike laga opor de confirm gurisha ekta developing story de Ukraine laga president Volodymyr Zelensky bra Sunday din de janai dishe Russia aro Ukraine majote peace karne next round do hoile February 4 aro 5 de kotha gurobole ase ko ase Russia Ukraine aro US laga delegation do hele Abu Dhabi de date 4 aro 5 laga February de lok korobole ase koina janai dishe ajila kopor do himande wind up kuri di ase chidi kumba manu notun sai thakile moram bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase thank you